Planet Series Safety Eyewear from HexArmor, a detailed, thoughtful approach to planet-friendly manufacturing, materials, and practices. Featured and available in some of our most popular frame styles. Certified green material, advanced safety eyewear that looks at the entire spectrum of sustainability. Aimed at your sustainability goals with results to prove it. Design and manufacturing focused on your comfort. Safe, universal fit for most face shapes. Seamlessly integrated soft, lightweight components with no pressure points. Light riding and strain-free. LTX Lens Technology for crystal clear vision even on the periphery, with industry-leading, proven, permanent safety coatings. With our TruShield coated polycarbonate lenses, which are themselves 100% mass-balanced polycarbonate for continued earth-friendly manufacturing practices. All this realized with Planet Series on our future-focused standard of post-consumer and post-industrial content integrated as a natural part of the manufacturing process. A carbon-aware manufacturing facility with tested and rated carbon and reused material scores. All clearly noted. Planet Series Safety Eyewear, only from HexArmor.